In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert notes in PowerPoint presentations. Microsoft PowerPoint is more than just a presentation tool. It's a comprehensive platform that can enhance your presentations with notes, making them more informative for both you as the presenter and your audience. Whether you're a student preparing for a project, a professional organizing your findings, or anyone looking to make their presentations more impactful, adding notes can significantly benefit your process. Notes in PowerPoint can serve as your cue cards, making sure you don't miss out on any critical points during your talk. Let's jump right into how you can add these notes to your PowerPoint slides. First things first, you'll need to launch Microsoft PowerPoint. You can do this by locating PowerPoint in your Start menu or Applications folder, depending on whether you're using a Windows PC or a Mac. Click on the PowerPoint icon to open the application. You'll be greeted with a variety of templates and options, but for now, let's focus on the task at hand. Once PowerPoint is open, you'll move on to opening your presentation file. Look for the Open option on the opening screen of PowerPoint, which is generally displayed prominently. This might be represented by a folder icon or simply the word Open. Clicking on this will allow you to browse through your computer's directories to find the PowerPoint presentation file you wish to edit. Navigate to the location where your file is saved, select it, and then click Open once again to load your presentation into PowerPoint. Now that your presentation is open, let's get to the part where we add notes. You'll notice that each slide in your presentation has a section at the bottom that says Click to add notes, which is exactly what we're looking for. This is the Notes pane, and it's where you're going to add your speaker notes. Click inside this box and you'll see that the cursor appears, indicating that you can start typing. At this point, you can either type your notes directly into the box, or paste your notes if you've prepared them beforehand in another document. This is particularly useful if you've done extensive research or have prepared your speech or points you want to cover separately. You can easily copy the text from your document and paste it into the notes section for the corresponding slide. As a tip, make sure to break down your notes by slide to ensure that each point you want to make is matched with the appropriate visual representation. Continue this process for each slide in your presentation. Adding detailed notes to each slide will help you remember key points and provide additional context that you might not want to include directly on the slide. This is perfect for keeping your slides clean and audience focused while still having detailed information at your fingertips during the presentation. Here's an extra tip for you. While in presentation mode, you can view these notes to help guide your speech without the audience seeing them. This feature turns your notes into a personal teleprompter, ensuring you deliver a smooth and informed presentation. And that's how you insert notes into your PowerPoint slides. It's a simple but incredibly effective way to enhance your presentation, ensuring you're prepared to deliver with confidence. Practice adding notes to your slides and familiarize yourself with viewing them during presentation mode to make the most out of this function. Remember, the key to a great presentation is not just what your audience sees, but also how well you're able to convey your message. Notes in PowerPoint are a tool designed to assist you in doing just that. Like any other skill, it gets better with practice. So, take the time to work on integrating notes into your presentations. You'll be amazed by the difference it makes. That wraps up our guide on how to insert notes in PowerPoint. I hope you found this video helpful and feel more confident in utilizing notes for your next presentation. If you have any questions or tips of your own, feel free to share them in the comments below. Happy presenting.